गुरु प्यारी साध संगत जी, गज के बुलाओ फतेह। वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह। I am honored to be here today to discuss with you the ongoing struggle for independence of Punjab, Khalistan. On this Vaisakhi Day, Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Guru of the Sikhs, created Khalsa, a formidable force of warriors for human rights and to promote human dignity, and Raj Karega Khalsa, to create a Sikh state. As a result of creation of the formidable warrior for Khalsa, the Sikhs established their independent country, independent state, Punjab. However, after many bloody battles with the British conquered Punjab and they took control. It is important to note that from 1849 to 1947, the territorial integrity of Punjab was not violated. However, when in 1947 India was created, because when Punjab was a country, India was not one country, it was a conglomeration of small kingdoms. However, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the Sikh Raj, Sarkar-e Khalsa was widespread. But in 1947, in 1 year, in 1948, the Indian government started to fragment, to carve out areas of Punjab. It is that country that we want to re-establish its sovereignty. It is that country we want to recreate as a sovereign nation, which is now occupied as a colony by India. The modus operandi of Indian government is the Sikh genocide, econocide of people of Punjab, and defamation of Sikhs worldwide. But we are fighting back. We are fighting by the most powerful force in the world, which is the weapon, the strongest weapon, pen. The modus operandi in Indian government is, first they came for your state and trifurcated it. Then they came after your religion, they called you Hindus. Then they came after your language, they say, we are not going to recognize it. Then they came after you and carried the genocide. Then they came after your religious institutions and tore down Akal Takht. Then they came after natural resources and took 75% of water away. And this is the violation of riparian rights international and violation of Constitution of India, because the control of water of other states is under that respective state. However, the control of Punjab waterways under Indian government control, and now the Bhakhara Dam control, the Bhakhara Dam board will be modified and you will lose. This is how slowly and slowly more slavery is being put on you. Gulami diyan janjagiran ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਕੱਸੀਆਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ. So then they came after the farmers and forced them to commit suicide. Then they came after our young people and they are distributing drugs, intoxicating drugs, and our young people are dying. Then they came after your land. They want to grab it. They want to make you laborers. And it was for Sikhs for justice that when the voting took place on October 31st last year, the thousands of Sikhs during rain and heavy winds voted in favor of Punjab Independent Referendum. Then they reversed those laws. Punjab Independent Referendum is legal, democratic process. It is the process by which many other countries have achieved independence. It is the process which Scottish people use to liberate Scott, or basically separate Scotland from United Kingdom. It's the same referendum which the Quebec people tried twice. So we are voting the independence of Punjab for the same reason that India got independence from British. Why did India get independence from British? Because they black draconian laws. But now those black draconian laws even are stronger. Under those black draconian laws, you are imprisoned and you have no access to the law. For the same reason that 13 colonies of United States of America got independence from the British. For the same reason, we want independence of Punjab. I ask you, now the weight is on your shoulders. I want to end this part of the speech by saying that when Bhai Shahid Rana was with me in England, a young Sikh girl, about 25 years old, a young Sikh girl or mother came with her 6-year-old daughter. She asked me, my grandfather died fighting for independence of Punjab. Then my father died for independence of Punjab. And now I am struggling. Will my 6-year-old daughter also have to fight for independence? That's a challenge for us all. We must take this challenge. And by legal, democratic, and peaceful means, we want to liberate Khalistan. Khalistan! Jindabad! Khalistan! Jindabad! Khalistan! Jindabad! Khalistan! Jindabad! Khalistan! Jindabad! I want to thank our special American invited guests that they will tell us about their ideas. I want to thank you all for being here, and especially I want to thank the organization committee of this event which is very well organized and very well managed. And I once again urge you to join the campaign for independence of Punjab, legal, democratic, and peaceful. If you want your rights, if you want to, there is an existential threat to Sikhs in India. There is a further territorial integrity threat to Punjab. And I ask you to join this campaign. If you want your rights, then the only solution is independence of Punjab. We will be honoring, especially today, the family, Mother Harinder Kaur of Shahid Bhai Rana and his brother here today. We are very pleased that this organization has invited them to come here and be honored. Thank you very much. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.